Right there is the beautiful Tammy.
Hi guys.
We got my German Shepherd Lobo, and behind him is my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. It's a beautiful day in the Mississippi River Valley. Got a big blizzard coming down right now. Come along, I hope you enjoy it. I love the snow. My favorite time to hike is when the weather's like this, huh?
It's so pretty.
Yes, it's absolutely beautiful down here. Beautiful, huh?
Beautiful.
It is. I don't know, I think this is my favorite time of year to be down here, is when it's like this and the snow is all sticking to the trees like that on the branches. I love that. Come on. Now the trick is, which is the least slipperiest way to go down?
Right? Not that way.
What?
Not that way. Whoa.
Nice. Need some help?
I think I got it.
Doing good? Put my limbs off in the keeper there.
Tissues.
Huh?
I was saying if I had any tissues from last year in my pocket. Wow. Thank you.
Welcome. I'm always prepared.
Right?
Like something out of a storybook, huh?
Yep.
They show Beck around here, just
Yeah.
all the
All the snow stuck to all the trees. Whoa.
Ooh. Got branches falling. The Mississippi Witch. She's everywhere.
Right. Yeah, it's heavy, wet snow.
Squeaky underfoot.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to get any shots with Lobo. He never wants to pose.
Kurgan's like, I will.
It's just beautiful
It
down here, huh?
is.
Trying to keep that lens dry. Pretty hard in this weather though.
Yeah, because it's just constantly dripping. Really?
It is. You can hear how sticky the snow is. I'm hoping how sticky the snow is showed up on the mic there. It's Tammy with a good snowball. Ugh. What the hell?
Very good.
Big man. Kurgan. We're going this way. Good boy. We're at a big wilderness off-leash park, if I didn't say that earlier. So you're gonna hear and see a lot of dogs in the background. Sounds like somebody's calling me, but I don't answer.
Care.
I don't care. I guess the honey badger's rubbing off on me.
Whoa, you see that?
Yeah. It's Mississippi Witch. She's following us around. Saw the dead branches fall into the weight of the snow, huh?
Which is like, heck, it's not even Halloween.
Yes. Again, it's just October 20th in Minnesota. You remember, what was that, about
91.
91?
Yeah.
On Halloween, we got like 32 or 33 inches of snow.
Crazy.
Yeah, it was
You opened
nuts.
your door and it was one big block of snow.
Yeah, we had a snow drift that went from my driveway all the way up to the roof of my garage from the high winds. But yeah, we got 32, 33 inches of snow.
Kids out trick-or-treating.
Yeah, we took the kids out trick-or-treating still.
We had fun.
Gotta live hard to be hard, damn it. They grow them tough in Minnesota. over there greeting some people and dogs. Come on, Kurgan. Good boy. Boy, getting a workout, you forget how much extra work you get. Hey, come here. Good boy. We're going this way. Yeah, I think we've already probably put in about 3 times the effort it would be normally, wouldn't you say? This stuff's pretty sticky. Nope. This way. Good boy. Do I have a beard full of snow?
Close. It's getting full. By the end. It's sticking.
Yeah, I'm getting a workout.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
I'm like hot. I'm thinking a hoodie would have been sufficient.
Yeah, you're probably right, especially one of those really furry fleece ones.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Come on. Good boys. Come on. I think he's a little uptight because he's looking for his owner. Come on. I think he's a little uptight because he's looking for his owner. Yeah, and he looks nervous. Stuff on the ones here. Looks like the river's still pretty low, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this area is still above water. Got a husky over here they're playing with. A couple of huskies. Kurgan's bringing in friends. They're coming in hot. Cute dogs, huh?
Yeah.
Panoramic 360. What's up, guys? How you doing? Good, handsome dogs. Blue Bay Shepherd. Man, it's just beautiful out, huh? Gonna head back over to the other side over here. Enjoy your walk. Good boy. Just a little too high for us to make it over there. I think he's still looking for his owner. That's that same dog still. Yeah, he's got a, looks like he has a e-collar on. Huh. Well, if he follows us, we'll keep an eye on him, but I don't want to grab him and keep him from finding his owner. How you doing, buddy? Man, it's hot.
Yeah, it's warm.
Well, at least I feel hot from walking through all the snow. It's only about 30 degrees, which I guess depending on the year is balmy in Minnesota.
Right?
Once March rolls along, 30 feels like t-shirt weather.
Yeah, it's nice.
Crouch down for a second, my sciatic is acting up. Good, buddy.
All the birds.
Well, Tammy says that the snow is not going to stick around. We're supposed to get some rain on Thursday, so I'm curious. I'm kind of hoping that the snow will stay, but again, it's Minnesota, so you never know what you're going to get. This off again with the sweatshirt. You know, that's the other thing too. This handy new sweatshirt here is awful good at drying off the lens of my camera too.
Keeping my head warm.
That's right.
Dry.
Teespring, check out our link below. Also, YouTube's been being hard on our channel lately. I guess with the everything being so political, they've chosen to promote political content over ours. We went from 5 million views last month to 1.1 million, and they're still going down a little bit. I have a lot of people telling me they're not seeing our videos in their feeds and stuff. I ask, if you watch our videos and you enjoy our content, you take the time right now to subscribe and help us out. If you are subscribed, I ask that you maybe share a link to one of our videos with 1 or 2 people to help us through this period of time where they're choosing to not promote channels like this anymore. Again, we enjoy doing this, and so every view and sub helps us to continue doing it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Man, it is so beautiful out. Come on, Kurgan. He's watching the dog up there. Come on. That's one thing I like about this time of year is I can just walk right through the stream now. Right, Tim?
Yeah, I love walking through the water.
Yeah, I do too.
They're the best boots ever.
Yeah. Got my trusty ice chains on. Those things are a godsend. I have them on my boots down here probably about 6 months out of the year. They've kept me on my feet many times. Ooh, watch out for that spot, that's slippery. Yeah, that's where I slipped. Need a hand?
I don't know.
Go this way.
Huh?
Go here. Yeah. Take your gloves off too soon. Up. Hot.
I know, I unzipped my jacket.
Yeah.
It's warm.
Take my hood off too. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah. I got some too.
Yeah.
Just a few though, because not much sticks to these pants, which is why I like them so much. I love these Eddie Bauer Guide Pro pants. Yeah, you got sweats on there. Everything's gonna stick to those. You're like Lobo.
I'm like Lobo.
Everything sticks to Lobo's coat. That's just these two roughhousing boys. They're pretty vocal. Oh, when I brushed that branch, I just got a bunch of snow down my back. It actually felt pretty good. Shot out over there. It's pretty. Hopefully everything should be showing up good with all the snow illuminating everything. This camera doesn't do the best in low light settings, but the motion smooth on it is incredible, so you got to kind of take the good with the bad. It's almost like you have a gimbal when you're filming with it. It's incredible. My phone, on the other hand, takes incredible footage, but it's all shaky and it's no fun to watch, especially if you're watching it big. So that's why we like to use the GoPro out here, because the steadiness of it is just so superior. Good boys. A lot easier because as soon as you bump those branches on that thing, all that's coming down on you. Good boys. Boy, I hope this footage is going to look as beautiful as it does in person. It's just incredible out right now. There's only a few days a year when you get the perfect conditions like this, where you get a lot of snow. It's in these big fluffy flakes, and it's warm enough where it's sticky, so it sticks to everything. I love that.
Beautiful. Right, Dobo?
Boy. Kurgan's feeling playful. We'll head down there.
Okay.
Watch out so you don't get your foot stuck underneath that root. You know what I'm talking about? Just step on it, but don't slide under it. You'll have a real bad day if you do. The water's high here. Water's high here today.
It is.
Yeah. Yeah, we're already getting low on battery.
Are we really?
Yeah, well, we've been filming for a half hour, so. Need help or you got it? All right. Nice. But just so you don't lose your gloves out your pocket. It's getting hot.
Yes.
It done zip some more. Again, if you're not from an area that has snow, when you're walking through sneaky snow, you get a pretty good workout. It's a better workout than walking through sand. Oh, nice. Nice. I think the camera caught you whacking that back in my face.
Oh my god, that caught my neck.
I feel like I was bitch slapped by nature. I bet that'll be on film. I'll have to
Sorry.
see if I can get a screen. Yeah, this thing. I'll have to see if I can get a thumbnail of it. The name of the video will be Bitch Slapped by Nature. Well, if I can get a good picture of that, it will be. Or maybe I'll just do a little couple-minute clip of that. I got a welt now.
What? No. You do not have a well.
You sure? Because I'm going to document the abuse right here.
Go ahead.
I'm going to use it to blackmail you to cook dinner tonight. See what you're thinking. Ugh. Come on now. I had a nice plate of hot, thick cut bacon all fried up for you when you got home. How can you abuse a guy that gives you meat candy?
Right.
Restaurant Depot and Sam's Club both have the best thick cut applewood smoked bacon. I like to make it in the oven. I put it on a cooking tray with one of those oven cooling racks on top of it, and then I put the bacon on the cooling rack when I cook it. I do it at 425. Thick cut bacon usually takes about 30-35 minutes in my oven, but my oven's a piece of crap and we need a new one, so it might be shorter if you have a better one. But yeah, bacon like that really comes out. It just melts in your mouth. It's a lot healthier than frying it in a pan too. All the grease drips down below. It's really good. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it, and I think I ate 10 pieces of it before you got home. Jeez, man, I am getting a workout. I am going to be so sore later on.
I know, right?
Just because we're not used to walking through the snow. We still got one more walk to do tonight, too. A snow Tammy.
So I don't mess it up.
That's all right. Lobo screwed up for you.
Aw.
There you go. A snow
First
Tammy.
snow angel. Oh, Kurgan. You stepped on my snow angel. First one up here.
Some little critters back there.
Yeah, I do.
Right there.
I think it's a squirrel. They're back there.
Yeah. Hey, come here. Come here, Lobo. Back up a little bit. Lobo. Just in case the camera cuts out, because I know the battery's getting low, I'm going to say like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. We really appreciate everybody who watches the channel. I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers and say thank you to all those who've been there along the way. The beautiful Tammy would also like to say thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.
Come on, Kurgan. I think we're on the last 9% of my battery here. It's all right, we only got about 10 or 15 minutes left of the walk, so you won't be missing much if it dies. Except the beautiful Tammy, of course.
So nice out there.
We'll have to, when we get home, shoot a quick video of the little puppies out in the snow. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Woo. What are the chances of that happen right when you walk by it? That's pretty cool. Let's hope this one doesn't do that while we're walking underneath it. Let's see. If the Mississippi witch wants to get me, she can do it now.
Oh, it's moving on top.
The bitch slap with the branch was enough, she says. Let's go this way. It is deep. What'd you say? Oofta?
Oofta.
Come on now, let's not sound like a stereotypical Minnesotan.
Don't you know?
Don't you know?
Minnesota.
Well, my batteries on my camera are dead, so I broke out my phone, so we're going to be filming with that. It's not going to be quite as steady, but the picture should be pretty sharp. When my wet glove touches it, it messes with the screen. Well, I'll just have to keep my hand cupped. Just beautiful. Huh? Get a shot in front of this.
Snowflakes in my eyes.
That always makes us look thinner though when we shoot from above.
Right?
Us old people need all the help we can get. I'm 53 and the effervescent Tammy is a young 55.
Thanks.
She robbed the cradle when she got me.
Isn't it?
Tammy says that's like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
It is.
That's a 2020 Christmas tree.
Right.
It's just expressing in the way it looks how this year has been.
Little leaf.
Nice.
Little
Leafy was here. Come here, Kurgan. Come here. Well, that's all. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Again, if you're not subscribed, we ask that you do so now and share our videos. See ya. Bye from my big homie and my other big homie. Bye. Again, I've filmed this before for people who've been on the channel for a little while. But for you new people on the channel who ask, how come I don't take all my dogs down here at the same time and I'm only have 2 or 3 at a time? Well, this is why. I drive a Jeep and the back is only big enough for 2 to 3 huge dogs at a time. So that's why. For you guys who want to know what the gargoyle vehicle looks like, it's my Jeep. I love this thing. Fury from the sky. That's the flash for the 1st 508 Airborne. Well, for the 508th Regiment. That's all. Bye.